Hello, Form 4 Chemistry Chapter 6. Finally, we are in Chapter 6. 终于第6课了。Okay, so before I start, for Chapter 6, actually it's a big chapter. Okay, so I separate the Chapter 6 into two books, Book 1 and Book 2. So for Book 1, we talk about acid and bases. And for Book 2, we're going to talk about the salts. So temporarily, we are in the Book 1. 我们在第一本书 Otherwise, it will be too long for Chapter 6. 太长了 Okay, so start acid and bases. What's mean by acid and bases? 不知道 We start now, slowly, one by one. 一点一点来 Okay, so what's mean by acid? 什么叫 acid 呢 What's the meaning of acid? And this is your past year answer 啦，你的 past year 的答案 And just one answer, 20几咯，其他0分 Okay, so what's mean by acid? Copy slowly, page number 1 第一面什么叫 acid? Okay, so acid actually they are chemical compounds which dissociate or ionize to produce a hydrogen ion. Before I continue, what's mean by dissociate? 什么叫 dissociate? 解散啊 associate 就是结合协会对不对 or dissociate 就是分开解散 or ionize what's mean by ionize 离子化变成离子 so what's mean by acid they are chemical compound which dissociate or they are ionized to produce a hydrogen ion okay or you can call it a hydrosodium ions when dissolved in water or not very understand 什么都不明白对不对不要紧张我有在I talk in Chinese what's mean by acid they are the chemical compound that when you put them into the water acid 就是化学物品 when you put them into the water 当你把它放在水里面的时候 they're going to ionize in the water 它在水中呢会变成离子 and one of the ion produced must be hydrogen ion 其中一个产生出来的离子一定是 hydrogen 的离子 so acid actually they are chemical compound that dissociate or ionize in water 它们在水中解散 and produce hydrogen ion and the hydrogen ion you can call it as hydrosodium ion or why hydrosodium ion don't worry we're going to explain now 我马上解释给你听 so 最后一次 I repeat 不是我啰嗦我要攻你 attack you 直到你会为止 so acid they are chemical compound that dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ion 在水中解散产生 hydrogen 的离子的化学物品就叫 acid okay and any example 有什么例子呢So the dissociations and the ionization of the acid in water can be represented by the chemical reaction as follows. So acid 在水中解散 any example 有什么例子呢 Number 1 hydrogen chloride okay hydrogen chloride actually is a gas 它是一种 gas But when the gas dissolves into the water 不过当这种气体呢溶解在水里面 it's going to dissociate in water 它在水中解散 and the hydrogen chloride molecule going to dissociate 这个分子呢就会解散它就会离子化ionize and finally produce hydrogen ion 然后它产生了 hydrogen 的离子 So acid actually is a chemical compound that dissociate in water 它在水中解散 to produce hydrogen ion and besides hydrogen ion it's going to produce another ion but this ion will be not so important 就不重要了 Okay so this is the meaning of acid how about nitric acid? Okay, so nitric acid when dissociate into the water, nitric acid 它是一种液体 When you put it into the water, 你把它丢进水里面的时候 it's going to dissociate in the water 它在水中解散 to produce hydrogen ion Okay, so 还是老话一句听到你生气对不对不喜欢我的啦 So nitric acid dissociate into the water to produce the ion called hydrogen ions 什么叫 acid 在水中解散离子化产生 hydrogen ion 的东西就叫 acid Okay, so another two example you can write it your own 你可以自己写啦 Okay, sulfuric acid and also ethanol acid you can try now 试试看 Try, pause the video and try Okay, So what's mean by sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid, when you add it into the water, 当你把它丢进水里面 it's going to dissociate in the water. 它在水中解散 to produce hydrogen ion. But for sulfuric acid, it will be different. One sulfuric acid molecule, when dissociate in the water, when ionized into the water, it's going to produce 2 hydrogen ion. 它会产生2粒的 hydrogen ion plus 1 sulfate ion 加另外一个 sulfate 的离子了。Okay, so 2 hydrogen ion will be produced plus 1 ion called sulfate ion. So still the same, what's meant by acid? They are chemical compounds that ionize in water, dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ion. 这个就叫 acid. Ethanol acid still the same 还是一模一样 Ethanol acid liquid 它是一种液体没有颜色的 But when you put it into the water 你把它放在水里面 It's going to dissociate in the water 它在水中解散 to produce 2 ion 就产生了2种离子 Hydrogen ion and another ion called ethanoic ion 另外一个离子就叫 ethanoic ion Okay, so you're going to produce hydrogen ion plus ethanoic ion So this is what we mean acid 了，这就是我们所谓的 acid 在水中解散，放出一种离子，那个离子叫 hydrogen ion. And acid, when you call it as acid, what is special about acid? Acid 最特别的东西是什么呢 ？hydrogen ion. So for all the acid, they're having the acidic properties. 它有 acid 的特征 just because of the hydrogen ion. 就是这个离子造成它有 acid 的特征呢。Okay, so this is what we call acid. Maybe some of you are going to ask, what is mean by this? Why the arrow is different? 为什么它箭头不一样呢 Okay, if the arrow is just one way, okay, one way means dissociate completely. 水中解散，全部解散。它的分子在水中全部解散。Okay, what's mean by the arrow with 2 direction? 它去了一回呢 They dissociate partially. 它一部分的解散，它解散又连回来，它解散又连回来，它解散又连回来，有的解散，有的不要解散。Okay, so ethanol acid partially dissociate in water. 它在水中呢会一部分的解散，有的解散，有的不解散，就算解散可能又结合回来。Okay, finally to produce hydrogen ion. 最后产生了 hydrogen 的离子 So this is the meaning of acid. Acid 就是这个意思 Okay, next, continue. Just now when we write the meaning 当我们在写 acid 的意思的时候 We talk about hydrosodium ion 对不对 What's mean by hydrosodium ion 什么叫 hydrosodium ion Okay, I explain to you now 我现在解释给你听Maybe start So in actual fact, the hydrogen ion does not exist individually, but is combined with the water molecule, okay, to form the hydrosodium ion. So what's mean by acid? Acid actually is a molecule, or acid actually is a chemical compound that dissociates in water to produce hydrogen ion. But the hydrogen ion does not exist individually. 它不会孤孤单单的在水中出现。But it is combined with the water molecule. 它会跟水的分子结合在一起 and become one of the ion called hydrosodium ion. Okay, so acid dissociate produce hydrogen ion, but the hydrogen ion going to join together with the water molecule to become a new ion, 变成了一个新的离子 and the ion is called hydrosodium ion. Okay, so copy, you're going to see something special. So acid dissociate in the water to produce hydrogen ion. But the hydrogen ion join together with the water molecule to become a new ion called hydrosodium ion. So this is a hydrosodium ion, H3O positive. Okay. However, 一句很重要的话 However, hydrosodium ion is usually write as 写成什么东西呢 However, hydrosodium ion is usually write as hydrogen ion in the simplified way. So we don't talk about hydrosodium ion, ion 麻烦嘛，对不对 So we just call the hydrosodium ion as hydrogen ion. So 大致上我们只叫它 hydrogen ion only 啦，不过其实它会变成一种 hydrosodium ion, understand? So nothing to worry 啦 Okay, next. So for example, any example, hydrochloric acid, when you add into the water, 你把它丢进水里面 So you're going to dissociate in the water, 它在水中解散 to produce hydrogen ion. But the hydrogen ion going to join together with the water molecule to become hydrosodium ion, and at the same time, it's going to produce another ion called chloride ion. So this is what happened. 它真正的时候，它会产生这个离子啦 ，hydrosodium ion, and this is maybe your page number 2 in your notes. 你的 notes 的第2面了 ，OK？ 那 the example. So I look at your note first. 我看你的 notes 你在哪里啊？那 here。So copy the example， 把它的 example 呢写出来了。Sorry。Okay, so hydrogen chloride molecule react together with the water or dissociate in water to produce hydrosodium ion plus chloride ion. But this hydrosodium ion we normally just call hydrogen ion. 我们大致上只叫它 hydrogen ion. Okay, so this is the meaning of acid. 这就是 acid 的意思。Any problem? Okay, 10 minutes. This is a basic like this. I need 10 minutes, or maybe I repeat. Okay, if you don't like it, you tell me lah. Sorry, I repeat just for one reason only. I attack you. 我攻你。I repeat， 直到你不知不觉的进脑为止。对不起，我有这个目的啦。OK， 谢谢。OK， 拜拜。